Hello everyone. In this C# video, we're going to be going over methods. In this episode, we will explore methods in C# which allow us to group code into reusable blocks. We will learn how to define methods, pass arguments, and return values. And by the end of this video, we will know how to create more efficient and modular code using methods. So, as a brief overview, methods are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help in organizing code and avoiding repetition. A method in C# consists of the return type, the data type returned by the method, or void if it does not return anything, a method name, which is a unique identifier for actually calling the method. Parameters are optional inputs enclosed in parentheses. And then the method body is the block of code that gets executed when the method is called. So let's take a look at our demonstration program here. First, the main method actually calls our methods. But let's take a look at what the methods are. So starting off with the add method, static int, so it's going to return an int. The method's called add, and we're passing in an a and b, which are both ints. No, we're defining those data types in the scope of the function, really. And then we are returning, with the return keyword, a plus b. Next is the greet method, so static string, so it's returning a string. Greet, passing in the name as a string. And then last is static double, so it's going to return a double. Calculate area, that's what the method's called, and we're passing in a double radius. And then we're returning math.py times radius. So looking at the actual main method, it's going to call those methods. So int sum is equal to add 5 plus 10. And that makes sense because add returns an int. String message is equal to greet and then passing in the name. And then double area is equal to calculate area and passing in a radius of 3.5. And then we're going to print out the sum message in area. So let's do .NET run. It'll take a second, but we're expecting it to perform the sum, message, and area functions, which it does. So sum 15, that makes sense, 5 plus 10 equals 15. Greet Kyle, so passing Kyle into the method, so hello Kyle, makes sense. And then the area performs that calculation. So I hope this video was informative, but let's get into some key takeaways. So modularity. Methods help break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. Reusability. Methods can be called multiple times with different arguments. Return values. We use the return keyword to pass results back to the caller. Parameter passing. Methods can take arguments to perform operations such as add. And then method calls. Always call methods from main or other methods when needed. Sometimes you need to nest methods in, but that's a more advanced topic. But it's the same application. So please reach out if you need anything. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.